Engulfing pattern, one of the most powerful candlestick configuration. This is already a wonderful pattern, but today we are going to see how to make it even more effective, enhancing entry signals with an interesting logic. The goal is to minimize false signals as much as possible. So let's dive into it. Before to jump straight into the strategy, let me quickly explain the engulfing. For bullish engulfing pattern, this is the configuration. There is a bearish candle here, and the next candle must be bullish and have to completely eat the previous bearish candle. The biggest will be this candle, and the more reliable and strong will be the signal. For bearish engulfing, bearish candle eat completely this previous. As for the bullish candle, the more strong will be this bearish candle and the more reliable will be the engulfing. This is a reversal pattern. It probably anticipates a trend reversal. Because of the reversal logic, we expect the price to pivot at a certain point, after a strong trend occurred. So by following this logic, it's useful to look for confirmation of extended prices. But how could we check it? I made it easier by creating these two filters in addition to the original engulfing filter. The original engulfing filter works like this. It detects bullish engulfing pattern only if the pattern is below the simple moving average 50 period. The second filter instead is the same as the previous, so the bullish engulfing pattern have to be below the simple moving average 50 period, and this simple moving average have to be below the slow moving average, the 200 moving average. So this second condition is an additional trend confirmation. In addition to that, let me take no detection, so we disable this trend filter. I created these two filter conditions. So the first is calculated on the exponential moving average, and it detects bullish engulfing only if there are this number of bar below the moving average. So as you can see here, the entry condition is valid only if we have 10 bar below. Here we have about 25 bars below the exponential moving average. This could be a really interesting filter because, as you can see here, there is a strong downtrend, and then after a strong downtrend we expect a reversal in the trend. Other than that, there is this other filter that measures the distance between the previous close and the moving average. As you can see here, we have a 1.6% about of distance. So if I set here 2%, this will disappear, because now the script will find only the bullish entry signal that have a distance from the moving average of 2%. Okay, we have found one here. As you can see here, from the previous close, we have a 3.5% about. This is another additional filter that you can apply. You can change, of course, the length and the distance between the EMA and the price. For short signal, speaking about the trend detector, if you set SMA 50, it will detect a bearish engulfing that will be above the moving average. As previous, if you set here SMA 50, SMA 200, okay, this is valid because there is the previous condition, and in addition there is this second condition. So the fast moving average is above the slow moving average. Here the same, and so on. So this condition will be that there must be X bar above the simple moving average. As you can see here, we have, I don't know, 20, 22 about candle above the moving average. So the second filter, it will measure the price between this close and the moving average, 2.9%. These are the three filters that you can apply. You can do it separately, or you can apply all of these three. Okay, now that we have defined all the rules and all the filter confirmation and so on, we are ready to jump into backtest. So we are here on Sun USDT on Bybit exchange, 1 hour time frame. I've set this first filter. It will detect bullish engulfing only when there are at least 3 candles below the exponential moving average. The virtuous filter turn off, and this trend detector is on a simple moving average 50. For filter section, I've set a simple moving average 50 and a strong trend filter. So it will detect bullish engulfing when it will be below the simple moving average 50 period and there are at least 3 candles below the exponential moving average. We are going long, stop loss type trading percentage, take profit 4.5%, trading stop loss 5.5%, initial capital $10,000, order size 100% of equity, commission 0.06, and let's see some backtest results. Net profit 207%, 111 trades, 61% percentage profitable, profit factor 1.5, max drawdown 26%, average trade 1.1%. The equity line has a run up and then there is an equity downtrend. It's not really downtrend, it's more a ranging period. Anyway, from here to here, no money in our pocket, but from this drawdown period till here, cover this bad period. We are backtesting about to here. The percentage profitable is good, 61%, max win row 10, max loss row 5. So I feel really comfortable with this kind of settings because there is not a big loss streak. Psychological perspective is really good. Max win trade 13%, max loss trade 17%. And just to show you the difference between the filter applied and without the filter applied, we are going to see a comparison. Net profit is slightly less with the non-filtered strategy to $21,000. With the filter applied, $23,000. Of course, with the filter strategy, we have less trade. Percentage profitable, it's better here. There is not this huge difference. But the most interesting difference is between max drawdown, $7,400, and here $5,200. Profit and max drawdown ratio, you can see it's almost half here. So, which means that we are earn more and risk less. Other than that, if you see the max win row 11 and the max loss row 8. Whereas here 10 versus 5 max loss row. This is the other metric that lead me to love this kind of filter. So as you can see, the filter is absolutely effective in this kind of backtest. Of course, it doesn't mean that it will have the same effectiveness with other backtests. So what's the takeaway for this strategy? So the good thing about this strategy is the win rate. Net profit / drawdown is a really good. You can use this script both for manual or for algo trading. You have plenty of different combinations that you can use with this kind of script. In fact, I personally use with my trading bot. But you can even use with the manual trading because you can set the alert from here, long entry and short entry. Okay, so we have discovered an edge with this engulfing pattern. If you're interested with more candlestick pattern, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!